it empty?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thank you. By the way, my name is Martha Galita. What's your name?
Hi, Martha. My name is Jessica. Nice to meet you, Martha.
Nice to meet you too, Jessica.
Hi, both of you. May I join the conversation?
Of course. Please join us.
Thank you. I am Amy. Are you both students?
Yes, we are. We study at YKN Tarutung.
Really? That's interesting. What program do you study, guys?
I study of Christian religious education.
Me too. How about you, Amy?
I study English education.
That sounds great. By the way, do you like studying there?
Yes, I do because the lecturers is friendly and I have many good friends.
I agree. This campus is enjoyable.
It's nice talking with both of you. I hope we can become good friends, yeah?
Yes, of course.